Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to this new course for Apple Notes on the Mac. We have covered the app on the iPad and iPhone, and to really help you master the app, we're now covering it on the Mac as well. This is my go-to note-taking app as of June 2024, and I use it on all three devices. Like on the iPad, the homepage and workspace in Apple Notes on the Mac are the same page. You have three columns, one for folders, another one for notebooks, and another one for your notes. The folders and notes columns, and effectively all the columns, are resizable. Tapping the sidebar icon toggles your folders column. So it hides or shows it, depending on what you have. You might also want to get rid of your notebook column. To do that, simply double tap the notebook you want to open it. The only downside to doing this is that you won't have access to your folders anymore, so you'll be forced to close the app and reopen it. In my case though, it took me back to another window of the app which I already had opened before opening this. Another way is to change this list view of your notebooks to a thumbnail one. In the thumbnail view, open any document you want, and it will not have the sidebar. You can then easily go back to the notebooks in your folder. For each notebook you open, you have a toolbar at the top with all the different features for taking notes in the app.